Turn your free time into cash, earn $9/month with Google. What's up everyone, it's Ray Insights, and let me tell you, I'm hyped to share this video with you. Are you tired of that 9-to-5 grind, ready to ditch the boss and become your own CEO? Well, get this, you can make serious cash online, like up to $300 a day just using Google. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking a potential $9,000 a month, all from your laptop. Now I know what you're thinking. Ray, is this another one of those too good to be true online schemes? Trust me, I get it. I've been burned before too. But this, my friends, is the real deal. It's all about leveraging a free tool we all know and love, Google News. No need for a fancy degree, no need to be a tech whiz, just you, your internet connection, and a hunger to make some serious dough. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire process, step by step, so you can start cashing in on this untapped goldmine. So buckle up, hit that like button for the algorithm, and let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the star of the show, Google News. This platform is a treasure trove of information waiting to be mined for gold. This, my friends, is where the magic happens. Imagine having the world's news at your fingertips, constantly updated and ready for you to explore. Now you're probably familiar with Google, right? The search engine we all know and love. It's our go-to for everything from finding recipes to checking the weather. Well, Google News is like its cooler, more informative cousin. It's designed to keep you in the loop with the latest news stories from around the globe. It's a one-stop shop for all the latest happenings around the world, constantly updated with breaking news and trending topics. Whether it's politics, sports, or entertainment, it's all here. To access this goldmine, just head over to google.com, type in Google News, no need to overcomplicate things, and hit enter. Boom, you're in. It's that simple. You'll see a clean, organized layout with different categories like business, technology, health, entertainment, you name it. Each category is packed with the latest articles and updates. For this method, we're going to focus on two money-making niches, business and health. These sections are gold mines for content creators and marketers alike. Why these two? Because they're evergreen. Topics in these niches are always relevant and in demand. People are always going to be interested in making money and staying healthy, which means there's a constant demand for fresh content. This is your opportunity to tap into that demand. But hey, if you're passionate about tech or can't get enough of the latest celebrity gossip, feel free to explore those avenues too. The key is to find what excites you. The key here is to find a niche that resonates with you and has the potential to bring in that sweet cash. Remember, passion combined with demand is the perfect recipe for success. Now that you're on Google News, it's time to find the articles that are going to make us some serious bank. Remember, we're not just looking for any articles here, we're looking for attention-grabbing, click-worthy headlines that scream, "Read me." Think about it. When you're scrolling through your newsfeed, what makes you stop and click? It's usually something intriguing, something that piques your interest. For example, let's say you're in the business section and you see a headline like, "How a 24-year-old bought a $250,000 house by living in a tiny home in her parents' backyard." I don't know about you, but I'm clicking on that. It's unique, it's relatable, and it promises valuable information. Or maybe you're in the health section and you stumble upon, "Red meat and cheese may not lower life expectancy according to a new study." That's going to grab some attention, right? It's controversial, it challenges common beliefs, and people are going to want to know more. The key here is to find articles that are already generating buzz. Articles that people are talking about. These are the golden nuggets that we're going to spin into our own money-making masterpieces. Chapter 3. Okay, so you found some killer articles on Google News, but here's the thing. We can't just copy and paste them. That's plagiarism, my friends, and it's a big no-no. Plagiarism is not only unethical, but can also get you into serious trouble, both legally and academically. But don't worry, I've got you covered. There's a way to use those articles without falling into the plagiarism trap. Introducing our secret weapon, Grammarly or ChatGPT. This tool is a lifesaver for anyone who needs to rewrite content quickly and efficiently. This free online tool is a game changer. It's designed to help you transform existing content into something fresh and original. It takes your chosen article and rewrites it, ensuring it's 100% plagiarism-free while still maintaining the original meaning. This means you can use the core ideas without copying the exact words. Think of it like a magic writing assistant that helps you create unique content in a flash. It's almost like having a personal editor at your fingertips. To use these tools, just copy the text of the article you want to rewrite. It's really that simple. Head over to Grammarly or ChatGPT. These tools are user-friendly and easy to navigate. Paste the text into the tool. You can paste large chunks of text and they will handle it effortlessly. And hit that go button. It's as easy as that. This tool will work its magic, processing the text and generating a new version in no time. And within seconds, you'll have a fresh, rewritten version of the article. It's quick, efficient, and incredibly useful. Now, it's important to note that while Grammarly or ChatGPT does a fantastic job, it's not perfect. It's always a good idea to give the rewritten article a quick once-over. This ensures that the content is accurate and reads well. Make any necessary edits. Sometimes the tool might miss nuances or specific details that you want to keep. Add your own voice, your own insights. This personal touch can make a huge difference in the quality of the content, and make sure it flows smoothly. A well-flowing article is more engaging and easier to read. Remember, we're not just aiming for plagiarism-free content. We want to create something that stands out. We're aiming for high-quality, engaging content that people actually want to read. So, go ahead and give Grammarly a try. You'll be amazed at how much easier it makes your content creation process. Chapter 4. Alright, we've got our Google News articles. We've spun them into unique content using Grammarly. Now it's time to turn those words into cold, hard cash. But how exactly do we do that? The answer lies in finding the right platforms that are willing to pay for your hard work and creativity. And trust me, there's no shortage of websites out there that are willing to pay for well-written content. The internet is a vast marketplace, teeming with opportunities for writers of all niches and expertise levels. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, there's a place for you. To make your life easier, I've compiled a list of some of the best platforms to get you started. These websites are not only reputable but also offer competitive pay rates and are constantly on the lookout for fresh content creators like you. These websites are all reputable, they pay well, and they're constantly looking for fresh content creators like you. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list and explore these fantastic opportunities. First up, we've got site number 1, thepennyharder.com. This platform is a goldmine for writers, offering a handsome $100 to $500 per article, depending on the topic and length. Imagine getting paid top dollar for your words. This platform pays a handsome $100 to $500 per article, depending on the topic and length. They value quality and are willing to reward you generously for it. They're primarily focused on niches like health, home improvement, and personal finance. So if you've got some killer content in those areas, this is definitely a site you want to check out. Your expertise in these fields can really shine here. Next on the list is site number 2, Dotdash.com, a personal finance powerhouse that pays $75 to $100 for insightful articles on everything from budgeting and investing to side hustles and making money online. If you have a knack for financial advice, this is your stage. If you're passionate about finance and want to help others achieve their financial goals, this platform is a perfect fit. Your knowledge can guide others to financial freedom while earning you a tidy sum. For all you travel junkies out there, we've got site number 3, internationalliving.com. This platform is a dream come true for those who love to explore and write about their adventures. This platform pays $50 to $200 for engaging travel articles that transport readers to exotic destinations and inspire them to explore the world. Your travel stories can become someone else's travel inspiration. If you're a fan of list-based articles, then site number 4, strongwhisper.com, is your new best friend. Listicles are incredibly popular and this site knows it. They pay a cool $100 per article on a wide range of topics, including entertainment, science, history, and more. Your ability to compile interesting lists can be quite lucrative here. And last but not least, we've got site number 5, crack.com, a humor and pop culture website that pays $100 to $200 for hilarious and thought-provoking articles. If you have a knack for making people laugh or think deeply about pop culture, this is the place for you. Chapter 5. Now, let's talk numbers. To hit that sweet $300 a day goal, you're looking at publishing just 1 to 3 articles per day, depending on the platform and pay rate. That's it. Imagine waking up, writing a couple of articles, and making more money than most people do at their 9 to 5. And the best part is, this is a completely scalable side hustle. You can start small, writing 1 article a day, and gradually increase your output as you get more comfortable and efficient. The more you write, the more you earn, and the closer you get to that $9,000 a month goal. But it's not just about the money, though that's definitely a huge perk. This side hustle also allows you to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work from anywhere in the world. Imagine writing articles from a beach in Bali or a coffee shop in Paris. The possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? You've got the knowledge, you've got the tools, and you've got the drive. It's time to take action and turn your free time into a serious income stream. There you have it, guys. A proven step-by-step system to leverage Google News and make some serious cash online. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, staying consistent, and reaping the rewards. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-making strategies, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep hustling, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.